How to rotate a 360-degree photo made with the Insta360 camera. That's an insp file. That's Insta and picture, piece from picture, and I cannot rotate it. So to rotate it, come here to this icon which says switch field of view, FOV. Click on that one and select anything from here, from the left side. So that cannot be rotated, but let's see the first one. That fish allows you to rotate it. That's the fish eye. That's the second one. That's a globe, can be rotated. That's the third one, that also can be rotated. And that's the fourth one. And the last one cannot be rotated.